Zilla, and I'm playing Flappy Bird, Floppy Bird, whatever it's called. And can you please subscribe? Tyra Louise, that's me, and Jackie Tram TV, and Jack Rim 25, and I'm going to start the Floppy Bird. See how good I am, because I have not done this for a while. But let me get used to it first. That was, but yeah. Two. Right, let's. One. Wait, one. I need to be two. And yeah. Yes. Give me a round of applause. Yes. Highest score ever. And I have not even played Floppy Bird. Because I have not. This is so cool. Two again. Four. I need to be. No, I need to be four actually. Well, that was not good. Right. Well done, hello. This is probably be annoying. Yeah, and if we get to 10 likes, I'll do a what shall I do? A dare or something. And if we don't get to like 4,000 likes, I will dump thing all over your head. Right, and yeah. This is not good, seriously. 3. Yes. It's so hard because this is not, and comment to Skelly Girl as well, please, my friend. Seriously. This is not good. That is funny. This is not good. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below. No. I hope you liked this video. Comment down below. Subscribe what you would like. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.